Hi, welcome to Circuit 3. In this video, we build a GPS-based clock and speedometer using an Arduino Nano and a dot matrix display. A drive test was also carried out to verify and compare the performance of the speedometer, as this feature requires fast real-time info. Although the results were favorable, I did have to restart the Nano just as I left my home. You will notice that the commercially available unit with a green display outperforms the blue dot matrix build. The green display is obviously equipped with a better GPS than the one I used for the build, but the results are favorable. Before we get building, the Google Payments people didn't accept my South African driver's license, so the links in the description are non-functional. Please use the link provided on screen and type it into the address bar and not the search engine to access the code. The circuit is very simple to construct, as there are only 8 physical connections between the Arduino Nano, the GPS, and the dot matrix display. When the unit is first switched on, the no-sig message appears until satellite contact is made. Thereafter, depending on the mode chosen, the correct data is extracted using the tiny GPS++ library. This data is then displayed on the dot matrix. In order to make sure that all your modules are functional, code has been supplied to test the dot matrix as well as the GPS modules. Please use the code supplied on screen to do this testing. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this build.